بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد قال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم بني الإسلام على خمس شهادة أن لا إله إلا الله وأن محمد رسول الله وإقام الصلاة وإيتاء الزكاة والحج وصوم رمضان أو كما قال عليه الصلاة والسلام. My dear brothers and sisters, I have recited a hadith from Sahih al-Bukhari in the khutbah. The hadith I recited is one of the most important things, most important sayings of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, in which our Prophet, our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is saying about the 5 pillars of Islam. The hadith summarizes the teachings and the practices, the beliefs of Islam, that there are 5 things which is important for Muslim to do to be a Muslim. There are 5 things which a Muslim should do so that he is a Muslim. What are the 5 pillars? Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam says in the hadith, Shahadati an la ilaha illallah wa anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. The first point is Shahada. What is Shahada? Declaration of faith. This is the belief that there is only one God, Allah. Allah is the only God whom we believe is a God. And the second Shahada is Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam is the messenger of Allah. This is the first pillar. The first pillar is about 2 beliefs, 2 witnesses, that we witness that Allah is the only God, and the second witness is that Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam is the prophet, is the messenger of Allah. Now going towards the second pillar, which is as-salah. As-salah means prayer. Muslims are required to pray 5 times a day. Fajr, Dhuhr, Asr, Maghrib and Isha. These are the 5 prayers which a Muslim is required to pray every day. And the third pillar is zakat, alms giving. Muslims are required to donate a part of their tradings, a part of their things which donate a portion of their wealth. The word is wealth. Muslims are required to donate a part of their wealth to charity. This is also one of the pillars of Islam. So, first pillar is bearing witness. Second pillar is Salah. Third pillar is Zakat. And the fourth pillar is Hajj, pilgrimage to Makkah. A Muslim is required to suffer to travel to Makkah and perform Hajj if he has the things, if he has the power to travel, and he has the wealth to travel to Makkah and perform Hajj, it is first on the Muslim. This is the fourth pillar. And the fifth pillar is Sawmi Ramadan. Sawmi Ramadan means fasting the month of Ramadan. Muslims are required to fast from dawn to dusk in Ramadan, in the month of Ramadan, which comes after Shaban. We are in the month of Shaban. So these are the 5 pillars of Islam. So, brothers and sisters, this is the start of our playlist, Mal Islam. What is Islam? Inshallah, in this playlist, we will be talking about the pillars of Islam, starting with the 5th pillar as per the sequence of the hadith, which is Sawm Ramadan, fasting the month of Ramadan. Because you all know that we are in the month of Shaban and the next month is Ramadan, so knowing about Ramadan is important for us in this month. So inshallah, we will be discussing about the important things which a Muslim should know to perform the fasting of Ramadan. Inshallah, in the successive videos, we will be talking about Sawm Ramadan. Subhanallah wa bihamdihi, subhanakallahumma bihamdik, wa nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun, wa salamun ala al-mursaleen, walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.